I would love it if you can do an introduction of yourself because you've had quite a few decades of experience as a business consultant. What exactly you do?
My qualification is an MBA, and I started my career in the IT industry working with HCL, the hardware marketing. And subsequently, I moved out of the IT industry and joined insurance. I have two verticals, business as well as finance. I have created a team of PAs, cost accountants, lawyers, advisors, IT specialists, strategists. I'm able to give appropriate solutions to the MSME.
You've been doing for how long?
Experience is almost about 35 years.
How many out of the 35 years is a consultant?
Consultancy is almost 10 years. People know that Narayan will be able to give the solutions for the business plan that he has in the future.
You said I do startup ecosystem investments, special credit opportunities funds, international investments. I'd like to start with alternative investment funds.
Alternate investment funds is a new concept moving beyond the investment or mutual funds. They are private funds that invest in non-traditional assets like commodity, real estate, private equity, hedge funds, which has been there since the last 7 to 8 years. Usually the investment could be 50 lakhs and above because alternate investment funds are high investments, different from mutual funds.
Let's dive into startup ecosystem investments.
It's a high risk investment, but people know that the rewards will be multifold in 5 to 7 years. The investors who look at such investments feel that this company can create a maximum impact on the people, on the society, on the country, or the world at large. An accelerator takes the help of experienced startup founders successful in their business. Putting money in an accelerator environment gives confidence that the money is protected and you get a reward in a short span of time.
Special credit opportunities fund. Tell us a little about that.
Special credit, which is a very large fund, which is worth 2,000 crores. And they look for investors who will want to protect the capital and expect regular returns every quarter. Even the banks or the NBFCs will not be able to touch it because of Reserve Bank regulations. So if a company wants 100 crores, the lender will take a collateral at least 2 times the worth the investment. However, this is also a high risk because you have to wait for the company to give back the capital as well as the interest or the dividends that is due. This type of fund is used for buyback of shares or mergers and acquisitions or giving a loan against shares. Or if there is a shortfall of 100 crores for my current business to execute it very successfully.
Can you tell us about international investments?
There are certain business owners who would like to expand internationally. Let's say he has got a child and that he wants to put the child in the US. So he wants to create an education fund. So what he'll do is that he'll put money in commercial real estate where there are opportunities in the US and you wait for the investments to grow. Generally, after 5 to 6 years, the growth rate is approximately 150%. He can use these funds for his child's education. The important point to be noted is that the funds, if it is brought back to India, he has to pay the tax on that. So he would rather keep the money there. The dollar appreciates 2% every year. So it makes sense for him to keep the funds there.
And who would be like the ideal candidate for these kind of international investment opportunities?
Any business owner with a net worth of 5 CR and above.
What kind of investors should consider special credit opportunities?
Anybody with a surplus funds of 1 CR and above.
And startup ecosystem?
50 lakhs and above.
Thank you so much for your time. I'm sure this will be very useful for a lot of people who listen to it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.